Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Sorry for the awkward angle, but I thought I'd do this baking video a bit differently. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be trying Biscoff brownies. I'll link the recipe that I'm following in the info box as always, because I'm no chef. Like, I can't make something from, create a recipe from scratch. But I've been craving these brownies for the longest time, so we're going to have fun doing these. Baking has been helping me so much these days, so yeah. Just a quick side note, I've preheated our oven to 160 degrees fan oven, and it says 180 if you have like a normal oven. I've already prepared my tin. I don't know if it's 9 by 9, but it's just a tin. So I've already measured some dark chocolate here. This is the one I got, and we're using 200 grams of this. And we're just going to put it in a suitable bowl and then put it in the microwave. So I got 200 grams of butter and we're going to melt this. Okay, so we now got our melted dark chocolate and melted butter. You want to combine the two. Okay, now you're going to want to have 4 eggs. We use medium eggs, and then you want to get 275 grams of sugar. And this is just caster sugar. And you want to mix these two until light and fluffy. I'm just going to whisk this away with the electric machine because my arm just can't take it. So we're going to wait till this comes light and thick and fluffy. I think it's ready. It should leave a trail for like a second, so it's kind of leaving a trail, like you can see it. Guys, there's an actual professional doing this recipe as well, the creator of this recipe, I think. Okay, I think the chocolate mix is now cooled down. Let's just hope it don't cook my eggs. Pour this in. And now we're just going to lightly fold this in. I'm having no luck today, guys, with my filming equipment. The light's gone off. My cameras are run out of battery because obviously I've been filming today. I've always got a backup battery, but I always have to like stop everything and go get everything, and it's just annoying. Then we're going to put in our 90 grams of plain flour, and then we have 35 grams of cocoa powder. Again, you just want to fold that in. This is optional, but I'm going to put a little bit of baking powder in here. And also I'm going to put, this is 65 grams, but I'm not going to put all, I'm going to put like half of that. It's like 30 grams of chopped walnuts. So now we're ready to grab our little prepared tin. We're just going to put this in. I'm really happy with the texture. Just give it a good spread. You want that moussiness to this mixture so that your brownies really like have that chewiness and it actually bakes. If it's too mixed in, it will not cook. Now time for the fun part. We're going to put our 2 different Biscoff butters on the top. You can put as many of this as you want, honestly. I'm just going to put it in random places. Then I'm going to take a toothpick and just kind of distribute this. So this is what it's looking like. We're going to put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I cannot wait. I hope it turns out good. So our brownie cake is ready. We're just going to cut this up. I've already cooled it up. If you want to check if it's ready, you can put a toothpick in and it should come out dry and it's ready. I left it in for like 40 minutes so that it cooked properly. But we're going to cut this now. those are our brownies chopped up. They are so thick. Look how thick they are. Like, that's insane. I'm so proud of these. They look insane, guys. Let's do a taste test. It's actually really nice outside, but we're gonna taste this. Look how yummy it is. Alright, it's taste test time. Let's taste this. We'll just get close up of this brownie. Oh my god, guys, that's so good. What the hell's on my face? Guys, it's so good. Oh my god, I need to stop eating. It's moist, it's crunchy. I don't think I can taste the Biscoff as much because the chocolate's a bit overwhelming. I like that I put the walnuts in for sure. I'm glad I tried the brownies, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little baking video. And if you want me to do more, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I'll know that you do want to see more. And also comment below what recipes I should follow. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!